Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this session, we will discuss some of the memory based questions that were asked in yesterday BRC 2021 examination. The question is from physics discipline. So let's start the session and discuss some of the memory based questions. So friends, there was a lot of questions from quantum mechanics. So I consider one of them. So the question was from one dimensional quantum harmonic oscillator and it was given that psi is 1 by 2 of psi 1 plus root 3 by 2 of psi 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2 of psi 2, and the question was asked to find the average energy of the system. So from the question it is very clear that the probability of the state psi 1 is 1 by 4 into energy is E1 plus the probability of the state psi 2 is 3 by 4 into its energy is E2, and from quantum harmonic oscillator the energy is n plus 1 by 2 h quad omega. So E1 will be 3 by 2 h quad omega and psi 2 will be 5 by 2 h quad omega. So by putting this value you can get the final answer, that is the expectation value of the energy. So move to the next question. The next question was from mathematical portion, and the question was find from the complex analysis. The question was finding of residue. So there is a function fz was given. The fz was like z square by z minus 1 whole square. Okay. So you have to find the residue at z equal to 1. So it is very easy. So move to the next question. So next question is from nuclear physics. So you know R is equal to R naught a to the power 1 by 3, and there was two nucleus and one nucleus has a radius like x, and you have to find the radius ratio by using this formula. Okay, so there is a straightforward question from this formula, you can easily use it. And there was another question from the binding energy, nuclear binding energy, and which the question was like that, which of the following option is indicating the asymmetric term. You know from the asymmetric contribution we getting is a minus 2z, a minus 2z. Okay, so there is an option containing this term a minus 2z, so you have to click this option. So this was the question from nuclear physics. So move to the next. So the question from solid state physics that I already discussed, that is, you know, E Fermi energy is proportional to number density to the power s by d. Okay, so here in term of Fermi momentum it will be pf square by 2m will be proportional to n to the power s by d. Okay, so if you replace p with h cot k, that is the Fermi wave vector, then kf square will proportional to n to the power s by d. So then kf will be n to the power s by 2d. Okay, so by using this formula you can solve this question. There is a question from depending upon this formula. Okay, so move to the next question. Next question was from nil temperature. So you know from antiferromagnetic material, for antiferromagnetic material the susceptibility Xi is equal to C by T plus Tn. Okay, so the question was like that, certain material having nil temperature 100 degree centigrade was cooled from 500 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Okay, so you have to check the susceptibility ratio. By putting this formula you can easily find the answer. Okay, so move to the next question. Next question was from solid state physics. It was from atomic packing fraction of a simple cubic. So you know for simple cubic R equal to A by 2. So FPF is equal to volume occupied by the atoms in the unit cell, that is 4 by 3 pi R cube over A cube. Okay, so you if you put R equal to A by 2, then you will get with pi by 6, that is 52%. So atomic packing fraction of a simple cubic structure is pi by 6. So there is option pi by 6. So move to the next question. So in the next question there is a question from nuclear physics. The question was like there is a positron plus neutron is giving rise to proton plus electron neutrino, and the question was asked that this given reaction is not allowed due to, please check the lepton number. If you check the lepton number, this is positron, so this is antiparticle, so lepton number will be -1. Neutron is not a lepton, it's a baryon, so its lepton number will be 0. Proton is also a baryon, so lepton number is 0. Electron neutrino, so it's a lepton group element, so its lepton number will be 1. So lepton number is not conserved in this reaction, so the reaction is not valid due to the not conservation of lepton number. So lepton number is not conserved. Okay, So there is an option like this. So move to the next question. Next question is from superconductor. So you know from superconductor there is a isotopic effect. So from the isotopic effect, you know the Tc, that is the critical temperature of any isotope, is inversely proportional to the square root of its isotopic mass. So there is an option like this. Okay. So move to the next question. The next question is from differential equation. There is a simple differential equation and asking its solution. So you can easily do it. Okay. So move to the next question. The next question is from classical mechanics, and the question was from like a force was given. So like a force was given, something like I cannot exactly remember the question, but f was the function of time. There is a time term and there is a position term like e to the power minus x. You can, but the approach I am taking like this. You have to write the Hamiltonian of the system. So you know the Hamiltonian is the total energy, that is kinetic energy plus the potential energy of the system. So from the given force you have to find this potential energy, and you know a force is equal to minus dv by dx, and you have to find the v by doing integration of, there is a minus sign over here, so minus f dx. So you can integrate the force over dx in order to find total potential energy of the system. Then you have to substitute this potential energy over here, and you can find the Hamiltonian of the system like t plus t. Okay. So there is a question based upon this concept. Okay, so I cannot exactly remember the what are the force given, but the approach is like this. Okay, this is a very easy question, you can do it. So move to the next question. There is a question like there is a certain there is certain matrix was given, two matrix was given, and you have to find its determinant of its product transpose with this matrix A. So you have to calculate A transpose into A its determinant. So the answer will be 0. Okay. So the final answer is 0. This is a very easy question from matrix chapter. So move to the next question. So next question was from a Maxwell equation. So question was like that: which of the Maxwell equation can be used to find the magnetic field due to a solenoid? Solenoid. So you know, in order to find the magnetic field due to a solenoid, we are basically using the Ampere structural law, that is the line integration of VDL is equal to mu 0 I, and in term of Maxwell equation we are using this as del cross B equal to minus, sorry, del cross B equal to mu 0 J plus ZD. This is the modified Ampere circuitual law. Okay. So the question are like that: which of the following equation can be used to in order to find the magnetic field due to a solenoid? So this equation can be used, that is the modified Ampere circuitual law. Okay. So there is the option like this. So move to the next question. So next question was from statistical mechanics. So there are three systems given. One system was having energy E, and the other system having energy 0, and next is minus E. And the degeneration of the system is 1, degeneration of the system is 2, and degeneration of the system was 1. So you have to write the partition function. So partition function will be 2 plus e to the power minus beta E plus e to the power beta E. So it will be 2 plus 2 cos h beta E. So it will be 2 whole into 1 plus cos h beta E. Okay. So there is the option like that, 2 into 1 plus cos h beta E. Okay. So this is the right answer to the question. Move to the next question. So there is a question from also partition function. So there are the two systems having energy 0 and having energy E. So the partition function will be 1 plus e to the power minus beta E. But the question was asked to find the Helmholtz free energy, that is F. F is equal to minus n kBT ln Z. I was practiced this question in previous my expected question section. Okay, so this will be minus n kBT ln whole into 1 plus e to the power minus beta E. Okay, so this is the answer to the question. So move to the next question. The next question was very important question, I can say. So the question was like that: suppose you have a system, you have a state having energy E, which is less than from the Fermi energy by kT. Okay, suppose this is the state having energy E, which is equal to the kT lesser energy than the Fermi energy. So what will be the probability? So from the Fermi distribution function, you know f of e is equal to 1 by e to the power e minus ef by kt. So e minus ef. So I am replacing e as ef minus kt minus ef by kbt plus 1. So this is the usual probability distribution function of Fermi distribution, that is e to the 1 by e to the power e minus ef by kbt. So I am replacing e with ef minus kbt. So ef is cancelled, kt is cancelled. So I am getting with e to the power minus 1 plus 1. So it will be e by 1 plus e. So there is the option like that. So I think this question is clear to you, all of you. So there is a state E having energy lesser kT than the Fermi energy, then what will the probability? The probability will be E by 1 plus E. So there is a question from magnetism, that is there is a long conductor having radius r, okay, then what will the magnetic field inside the conductor? This is a repeated question. This question was asked last time also. So magnetic field inside the conductor at a distance small r will be proportional to small r by capital R square. Okay, so this is the answer to the question. So move to the next question. So from the next question was from the nuclear physics. The question was like that: the whole universe is made up of how many number of quark and how many number of lepton? So there is 6 quark, as you know, of down, strange charm, top, bottom, and there is 6 lepton like electron, muons, tauons, and the corresponding neutrino, that is electron neutrino, muon neutrino, and tauon neutron. So there is 6 quark plus 6 lepton. So there is an option like that. Okay. So move to the next question. Next question was from quantum mechanics. The question was like that: there is a state given, there is a phi state was like similar like that 1 1 1. Suppose 1 1 state was given, and there is a Hamiltonian also given like a 2 1 1, something like a 3 into 3 matrix 1 0 1 2, and you have to calculate phi h square phi. So this is very easy, you can do it. Okay. So friends, these are the type of question asked that I these are purely memory based, so the question may be similar or the may not be similar, but the approach I am taking is very correct, and the question was very likely there to there, so you can prepare like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video.